Good evening, students. So welcome back to our online session. In today's session, we are completely concerned with our DFT. So the previous sessions also we talk about FFT algorithm, the bit reversal order. What is the meaning of bit reversal order? And in today's session, we are more concerned with the numerical part. So the FFT, that is nothing but fast Fourier transform, that's completely concerned with the butterfly diagram. So whenever we try to design a butterfly diagram, so we need to go for radix methods. So basically DIT-FFT can be obtained by considering two methods. One is DIT-FFT, another is DIF-FFT. So basically what is DIT stands for, students? So DIT stands for decimation in time, fast Fourier transform. DIF-FFT stands for decimation in frequency, fast Fourier transform. So basically whenever we concerned with our digital signal processing, so basically we need to see the processor, right? So processor is the main part of our computer. So without the processor, we cannot able to understand, we cannot able to process our data, which is in the form of binary zeros and ones. So that binary information needs to be processed. That can be done, that can be transformed from one domain to another domain by applying the Fourier transform. So we have talked about various Fourier transforms starting from DIT-FFT, DIF-FFT, fast Fourier transform, Fourier transform. In Fourier transform, we have two concepts. One is discrete, another is continuous. So continuous is nothing but Fourier transform. The discrete is nothing but the kind of summation when we put it, that is become discrete. So when we see both the things, when we see the discrete as well as the continuous form, so we need to find out the application point of view. We just want to see where actually we are going to use that one. So that can be done by applying this FFT. So DIT FFT or DIF FFT is what? It's completely take less number of computation. It don't take that much processor time, because discrete time used for formula base, that is depends upon Tweedle factor e power minus j theta. So that is e power minus j theta is nothing but 2 pi kn by capital N. So that factor we need to consider while we are considering this DIT-FFT and DIF-FFT. So by considering this form, we need to see how effectively we can analyze that DIT-FFT and DIF-FFT. So let us consider what is the FFT is all about. So how we can use for FFT analysis. So as you can see here, we had 8 points, right? So 8 points are what? 0s to till 7. Those are 8 points.